हेलो बच्चों, आई एम सुमन here, your math teacher. As you know that yesterday we started a chapter, what is long, what is round. I hope you would have understood the chapter properly and done your homework too. So today we will continue the chapter. So as we have already discussed that Uncle Miku put his hand in a bag and give some identification points of that it is somewhat sharp at one end and flat at other end, and the children guess that it may be a pencil, pen or something else. So after Uncle Miku, there is the turn of team A to touch and guess. Again everybody start to sing, tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. A child from team A put his hand in the bag. Other in the team A have to guess. Okay, children, now tell me, could you help him to identify the object? The boy that put his hand in the bag said that the object is round all around, has no corners. I can roll it in my hand. Guess what is it? So, yes, it may be a ball, a marble, or any object that is spherical in shape. So, children, write some more objects around you that are spherical in shape. After team A, now the turn of team B to feel and guess. And in this way, the game goes on. So, isn't a don't you think it is an interesting game? And would you not like to play it with your family? Yes, you should play this game with your family. Take a bag or pouch, put some object in it, tie your eyes with some bandage like cloth, and feel the object and ask the other one to identify or observe this. Find out this. Okay. After that, we'll play one another game. How strong is a postcard? I'm sure you must have a postcard in your home. So just hold that postcard in your hand and try to balance a book on it. Could you balance the book on the postcard? I think no. Okay, now we will try this in another way. Just roll the postcard to make a cylinder or pipe-like structure. Use tape to stick the ends together. Now put the book on this cylinder-like structure. What will you find? You will notice that now the postcard can hold the book. Not even a single book, but it can hold more than one book. So just find out about how many books this postcard can hold. There is one more interesting game. That is, hurry up, be quick. In this game, you can see some children are sitting in a circle in the class. They are playing a game by clapping and singing. What is long? What is round? Look around, look around. Reena says, a bat is long, a ball is round. Look around, look around. Now the term of Reena. She says, what is long, what is round? Look around, look around. And the next student or next child say, a bottle is long, a cap is round. So in this way, the game continue. So student, you can also play this game in your family in free time. Just sit in a circle, ask your parent. You can sing, what is long, what is round? Look around, look around. Maybe your mama or your papa give the answer and then they will sing and the game will go continue in this way. So okay, this is your homework, that play this game and enjoy the day.